Coach Liu Guoliang's tactical blueprint to stop Hugo Calderano in the WTTC Final 2025 by Coach EmRatThich. Tomorrow is the biggest day of the year, the men's singles final of the WTTC Finals Doha 2025. On one side, Hugo Calderano, the unstoppable Brazilian force, who has defeated Zhang Jike in the semifinal. On the other side, Wang Chuqin, China's final hope, in his best form ever. Behind Wang Chuqin, one man is working silently but decisively, Coach Liu Guoliang. As the head of Chinese table tennis, Liu knows Calderano is no longer just a challenger. He is a game breaker, a threat, a player with raw speed, fearless attacks, and mental toughness. So what is Liu Guoliang's plan? First, control the tempo. Hugo plays at an insane pace. If you rally with him at his rhythm, you lose. Liu told Wang to use variation. Short, deep chop block, spinny slow loops, break the rhythm. Second, serve and receive focus. Calderano often dominates with the third ball. Liu instructed Wang Chuqin to use heavy backspin and sudden no-spin serves to limit Hugo's strong forehand attack. And on receive, stay low, aggressive, and jam Hugo's elbow to deny the full swing. Third, mental warfare. Hugo has shown great strength under pressure, but the final is different. It's historic. The pressure is double. Liu wants Wang Chuqin to play with calm intensity, no fear, no hesitation. Force Hugo to overcommit and then counter. Fourth, wide angles and bodyline. Calderano likes space. Liu emphasized, play early, punch to the body, and drag him out wide. Wang Chuqin's lefty angles are key. Liu Guoliang knows the world is watching, and he knows Hugo Calderano is playing the best table tennis of his life. But with the pride of China on the line, Liu has crafted a strategy, not just to defend the title, but to break the momentum of a rising legend. Tomorrow, it's not just Wang versus Hugo. It's also Liu Guoliang's tactics versus the thrill from Brazil.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.